Hi, it's Bob from Fixed. I got a few window tips for you. I got a lot of experience in windows. I'm like the Bubba guy from Forrest Gump on shrimp, but I do windows. Let me show you. First thing, number one, is this problem. Why does that happen? Well, quick explanation: when these windows are tilted 90 degrees to clean them, they're actually meant to come out of the balance system so that they can be serviced, and they come out at 90 degrees. So if you clean your windows, don't clean them at 90 degrees. Clean them either a little more or a little less. I'll show you that in a second. But they'll pop out of the balance. You shut the window, the balance goes down in. I want to show you what we see right here. That's the window balance. It's pushed down in here. It should be hooked to the window. So what you have to do is you take a screwdriver, you can turn the balance 90 degrees, it releases it, you slide it up, turn it back, that locks it. Bring your window down. If you have tilting mechanisms up here, retilt your window, re-engage your balance, shut your window. Look at that. It's called window magic.